take this integral, we take a look at the powers and we choose the smallest odd power. Here we only have one odd power, which belongs to sine. So what we are gonna do, we would break this part into two separate things. So sine squared, or I basically just separate one sine, and whatever is left, which means 3 minus 2, sine squared of 2x. So overall, I can write this integral as integral of sine of 2x multiplied by sine squared of 2x times cosine squared of 2x dx. And the even part created here, we will use this identity that sine squared of x plus cos squared of x equal to 1, or sine squared of 2x plus cosine squared of 2x would be 1. So from here, we can see that sine squared of x is basically 1 minus cosine squared of x. If I apply this identity, this part, I will get 1 minus cosine squared. This is 2x, so it would be same 2x. So overall, the whole integral would be sine of 2x, 1 minus cosine squared of 2x multiplied by cosine squared of 2x dx. And now we have all the terms in terms of cosine except 1, which it's perfect for using u substitution. So if I choose u is equal to cosine of 2x, we get that du is equal to negative sine of 2x. This is the derivative of cosine, multiplied by the derivative of inside, which is just 2, and at the end we have dx. So overall, I can write dx is equal to du. I divide both sides by this part, negative 2 sine of 2x. Now let's rewrite this integral with the new variable u. So our integral would be sine of 2x multiplied by 1 minus, instead of cos of 2x, I have u squared multiplied by u squared, and instead of dx, I have du over negative 2 sine of 2x. Perfect substitution because it helps us to totally get rid of this part, and overall this integral would be, if I take out this negative 2 out, it would still be in the denominator. So it would be negative 1 over 2 integral of 1 minus u squared times u squared du. To take this integral, we first distribute this u squared into the bracket. So it would be a negative half at the front. So we would get u squared minus u to the power of 4. And this is just a power rule. So it's negative half times the integral of u squared is u cubed over 3. There's a minus sign, and then the integral of u to the power of 4 would be u to the power of 5 over 5. This is an indefinite integral. At the end, we have a plus c. Just make sure it's an indefinite integral, so we need to write everything back in terms of our original variable, which was x. So we need to substitute whatever u is, and we introduced u here. U is cosine of 2x. So overall, this integral would be negative half cosine of 2x cubed. So I put 3 over 3 minus cosine of 2x power of 5 over 5 and entirely plus c. This would be the final answer of the integral.